ID Professionals video tutorials. This tutorial, I want to look at General Ledger module, the transactions. How to post some transactions. I can come to transaction, General Ledger, then I select cash book batch. So I'll select new batch. So under the new batch, I will now come to integration. Very, very important. You must select the bank that you want to allocate, that you are posting this transaction to. So I must select the UBA. There are some default settings, default to this date, and so on and so forth. So incremental, you can always add incremental, then let's say default incremental. Okay, let's say okay. So a question will now arise: what is the use of cash book batch? Cash book batch is used for making receipt and payment. For receipt and payment. So I can select various module. This is the default General Ledger module. It gives me my various set of account, the revenue and the expenses account. So if I want to, as I want to make an expenses from the UBA now. So let's say motor expenses. Give it a reference. Just say 01. What am I paying for? Motor expenses. So is it deposits or payment? I will now say payment of how much? You'll see 6,000. Is there any tax amount? No. Is there a tax account? No. Is it for a project? No. So I don't need to enter any other information. So I can now select new line. So now let me now use, if I want to use AR is the account receivables. So I want to receive payment from a cash customer. I can now say, I selected incremental, so it's changed to 2 now. So I can now okay, I want to collect 10. This is money received. Money received. So deposit of 10,000. Just press the down button. So you can also make payment to the suppliers. So we have not yet created any supplier's name, so that's why it's blank. So I can delete this line. Okay. Let me save. I want to delete. Then we have what we call validate the batch. So validate will tell you whether it will post. So it said no specific for the line 3. So it wants me to include some information. Let me just change it to cash customer. AR. You see money received also. So I wanted to delete, but it's not deleting, so I just have to enter some information. Let me say another 5,000 from cash customer. So I'll click on save. Let me now validate. So successful, but we have not yet posted. After saving, you have to also post the batch. So I now click on post batch. You want to print? No. Are you sure you want to post this batch? I'll now say yes. So that's posted successfully. Not allocate customer, yes. So allocating is just matching the debit and credit. Allocate all. Then close. So still under the general ledger, we can do journal batches. So journal batches is normal journal posting the debit and credit. So account, let me assume that I want to enter share capital. Share capital. Just use S01. Then I will call it opening balance for share capital. That is, we call this 1 million. So I've already credited my share capital. Let me now debit my assets. Building at cost. Building at cost for the same 1 million. Now let me save this. Let me validate my batch. No error found, so I can now post my batch. You want to print? No. Are you sure you want to post? Yes. So it has posted successfully. So if you want to check our report, you can see our general ledger also. Report, general ledger. Let me just look at my trial balance. So with description, I don't need to select anything here so that it will show me everything. I'll say suppress if 0. So this is what I've posted so far. The motor expenses, share capital, receivables, cash equivalent. Thanks for watching.